Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to verify your Google business profile step by step, fully updated for 2025. Verifying your profile is super important if you want your business to show up in your Google search and Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we are going to search for Google business profile, and let's see. So here you can see we have one of these that you manage verify. Just click to the view profile, and here you can see this is the view profile. So here we just need to be verified it. But if you are starting from the scratch, you just need to be signed into Google business. Like, first open your browser and go to business.google.com, then sign in with your Google account you use for your business. If you don't have a profile yet, just click to the add business like this way. Just click to the get it started, and once you click over here, then it will open. And here you just need to provide your business like address. The easiest way, just provide a business address. Go this one, just choose a category e-commerce, e-commerce service, and let's hit the next button. And then if you you just need to provide all this thing. Then here you just need to be fill out business info, make sure all your business details are correct, double check your business name and physical address. This is where Google may send a verification code. Add your phone number and website if you have one. The more accurate your info, the faster the verification will be. And now let's see, we already have one. So I'll click to the get verified. So when you are ready, you just need to click to the verify now options. So here you can see they are telling us, is this your business? So I will click on none of this, then click to the confirm, and they will provide me to the next step. To start back to enter your phone number. So here I will click to the verify later. So now here you just need to be fulfill all the requirement over here. So when you give the postcode over here, if you get postcode, it usually arrives within 5 to 14 days. When it adds and back and click verify and enter 5 digit. Then you just need to give final check. Once you enter your code or complete the video, Google will review it, and when approved, it will verify it next to your business name. You can now manage reviews, post updates, and show up in your local results. Let me give one bonus tip, that is, like, let's click to the skip and let's go to the last session. And here they are telling us to add photos of your dishes. So let's click to the skip. So you just need to fulfill these things. Let's click the skip and then click to the continue. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes. Like, customer cannot see your business if you don't get verified to then find your Google, so it is not verified. So you just need to provide these kind of things. Like, after verifying, keep your business profile to update, like add photos, your hours and business description, respond to reviews to build trust, and post updates or offer to stand out in search results. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to verify your Google business profile in 2025. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you have any questions, I am here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.